just to cheer on this group of men. Among the volunteers are a lot of executives, business executives, and MBA students. And during this 4-month course that the participants are starting, the executives and students will coach the participants in developing a business plan and presenting it and promoting it. We will be there to witness and experience the formation of a brotherhood, which is just as important a part of this program as the business education. From gang-led divisions, barriers, particularly between races, to learning to really care about each other and work and play together without fear. In the events I've experienced, I guess I've been doing about 2 years, it's hard to describe the feeling of love that develops in that room. For me, it's a feeling of nobody wins unless we all win. And after we leave, the atmosphere stays the same, but the participants really get down to hard work in a rigorous, challenging learning experience about business and living skills. It's an amazing program. Started in 2004 when Catherine Ward came to a Texas prison for a visit. She visited with a former inmate who had started a successful handyman business. She offered to help him with his business strategy, and in the process, she realized that inmates and executives have a lot in common. That a lot of inmates go to prison as successful, seasoned entrepreneurs. They've been running successful drug rings and gangs, and they know what it's all about. So within a month, she had talked the warden into allowing her to conduct a business competition, business plan competition. After that, she left her very highly paid job as a venture capitalist in New York. Came to Texas, moved to Texas with her husband, and launched prison entrepreneurship program. She drew from her connections with executives all across the country for funding and for volunteering. And the program is almost 5 years old. The anniversary will be in April. And executives are still coming like crazy to offer their help and encouragement to these men who want to live an upright, good citizen life and make a decent, honest living. There's a lot of openness in the program. The participants are able to see that they are not seen as hardened criminals, but as human beings that messed up. Catherine sees these men as these clever, single-digit recidivism rate. Recidivism was a new word to me when I got it. I had hardly learned it. Yet, recidivism means going back to prison. My favorite event will be July 10th for this group. It's graduation. Graduation with caps and gowns and family members attending and friends. And graduation is tear time for me. It's just so touching and so wonderful. It's July 10th. I'll be there.